Welcome to the world of luxurious living with crateinteriors, where functionality meets elegance. Today, we're going to be joined by the owner of crateinteriors. We've got Deborah Stevenson with us. So first off, tell us about crateinteriors.
Crateinteriors is the only truly turnkey furnishing solution in the Bay of Banderas that offers a single point of contact from end to end for every interior design project. So that means from that very first walkthrough to the final delivery and the big reveal, we are with you every step of the way.
Talk to us about this space. It's beautiful.
Well, this is an amazing project and we're so proud of it because it really demonstrates our entire sequence and protocol from start to finish. And it really showcases the best of what our team and our artisans have created. We initiated a full-scale renovation from carpentry and cabinetry redo, a new paint color and a palette to go with it, refurbishing and renovating furniture, and some of the woodwork and the iconic pieces that you see here, like this amazing dining room table with a marble top and a lazy Susan. So really preserving what was amazing about the unit and choosing new things and redoing the things that were maybe in disrepair or needed to be updated.
What sets crateinteriors apart from the rest?
So when you first purchase real estate in Mexico, the whole process can be super daunting. There's so many things to consider, and most people are doing this at a distance. We are super proud of the fact that we are boots on the ground through the entire process, making sure that we're aware of construction deadlines or delays, making sure that we have a clearly defined budget, we have a decor style in place, we have all those details and parameters as our guardrails as we go through the entire process. The best part of my job is waking up each morning with this incredible mission of creating beautiful beach houses in settings like this, working with our amazing team who are so passionate and creative, and then knowing that the work that we do supports this circle of families and artisans that are part of our crew that help us to expand our reach and our impact in the local community.